Good morning everyone. Now we are going to see exercise 2.2 question number 6. Find the length of the rope by which a bull must be tethered in order that it may be able to grasp an area 2464 meters square. So in this same method we have seen already one question. The goat question we have seen. So what they have given here? They have given area of the circle. We have to find length of the rope means radius of the circle. Okay, so they have given area, so we have to take as A equal to 2464 meters square. We need to find R. Okay, so we will substitute the formula. We know that area of the circle A equal to pi R square. So what is our area they have given? 2464. So instead of A we have to substitute 2464, which is equal to our pi is 22 by 7 R square. Now we have to find R, so keep R square in this side and take 22 by 7 to that side. So what we can get? 2464 already here. If 22 by 7 is moved to this side, it will be reciprocal. So 7 by 22. Okay. Now we have to divide 2464 by 22. So I am going to cancel with 11 table first. So 2 11s are 22. Here 2 11s are 22. Remaining 2. Again 2 11s are 22. Remaining 4. 4 11s are 44. Okay. Now what we have? 224 into here this 7 divided by 2. Okay, which is R square equal to, now we have to divide by 2. 1 2s are 2, here 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 112 into 7 we have. So we have to find prime factorization. How to find? Very simple. We have to take the prime number to divide this one. So 112 it is even number. Simply we can choose 2 first. If you have taken 2, 5 2s are 10, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12. Okay, now we have to take 7 because here already one 7 is there. So we have to take 7. How many 7s are 56? 8 7s are 56. Now we have to divide 8 by 2. So 4 2s are 8, again 2, 2 2s are again 2, we will get finally 1. Okay, now we can write 112 as 2 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 2 into 2 into again 1 2 into 7. Here we have 1 2 3 4 2s. Okay, instead of 4 2s, if it is a square we have to choose 2 2s. Okay, so instead of 2, 1 time 2, instead of these 2, 1 time 2, instead of 2 7, 1 7. Okay, this is R. This is will be our R value. So R equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So finally what we got? Our R value equal to 28. Okay, our R value equal to 28. The given unit is meter square, so our R equal to meter. This is our final answer. Once again I repeat, question number 6, they have given area of the circle. We have to find the length of the radius. So simply we know the formula A equal to pi R square. We have to substitute A value 2464, pi equal to 22 by 7 into R square. So we need R square alone, so we have to take everything to one side. So 2464 into 7 by 22 it will be. Okay, 22 by 7 is moved to another side, means it will be changed as 7 by 22. We have to divide by 11 first, so we will get 224 into 7 by 2. Okay, so again we have to divide by 2. We will get 112 into 7. So we have to find the prime factorization of 112. We know, you know already in 6th standard you have studied in prime factorization. So same method. So we can write 112 as 2 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, here we have one more 7 that we have to Right. Next what we have to do? Here square is there. So what we have to take? We have to take instead of 2 times 2, 1 2. Instead of 2 2, 1 2. Here again 2 2s are there. For that 1 2. So 2 7s, for that 1 7. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28 meter. That is our R value. Okay. Next question number 8. Tenmozhi wants to level her circular flower garden whose diameter is 49 meter at the rate of 150 per meter square. Find the cost of leveling. So listen children, if the leveling for the ground means it will be the area. We have to find what? Area. So they have given diameter of the garden, that is diameter of the circle D, which is equal to 49 meter. From this we have to find R value. Then for cost of leveling we have to find first area of the circle. Okay. Now D equal to 49 meter. So what is our R? Very simple. Our R equal to D by 2, that is 49 by 2. So keep as it is. We have to find the area first. So A equal to pi R square. So instead of pi we can substitute 22 by 7. R square means 49 square, that is 49 by 2 square, that is 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Okay. Now we have to simplify this answer. 1 2s are 2, 11 2s are 22. Now 1 7s are 7, 7 7s are 49. Next we have to multiply 11 into 7 into 49, 77 into 49. So 9 7s are 63, 3 remaining 6. Again 9 7s are 63 plus 3 plus 6, 69. Next 7 4s are 28, remaining 2. 28 plus 2, 30. So it will be 3. 9 plus 8, 17. Remaining 1, 7, 3. So 3773. We have to divide by 2. So 3773 by 2. 1 2s are 2, remaining 1, again 7. 8 2s are 16, remaining 1, again 7. Again 8 2s are 16, remaining 1, it will be 3. So 6 2s are 12, so remaining 1. If you put a point we can add 1 0. So 5 2s are 10. So finally we got our area equal to 1886.5. What unit they have given here? Meter. So it is meter square. Okay. Now we have found our area value. What we have to find actually? We have to find the cost of leveling. So here cost of leveling for cost of leveling per meter square they have given 150 rupees. So cost of leveling the whole area. Cost of leveling the whole area, what is that? 1886.5 meter square equal to 1886.5 into 150. Now we are going to multiply. So simply I can multiply with 15 and then we will put 1 0. Okay. So 1886.5. Afterwards we will put point, multiply with 15. First 5 table, 5 5s are 25, remaining 2. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32, remaining 3. 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 3, 43, remaining 4. Again 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 4, 44, remaining 4. 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Next we have to multiply with 1. So 1 5s are 5, 6, 8, 8, 1. Okay. Now 5, 7, 9, 8 plus 4, 12, remaining 1, 10 plus 8, 18, remaining 1, 2. So we have to put 1 0 and also now we have to put the decimal point. So 150 means 1 0 we have to add. Okay. Now 1886.5. So before one digit we have to put a point value here, so this 0 will be cancelled. So what is our answer here? So it is cost of leveling the whole area is rupees 2,82,975. This is our final answer. Once again I will revise. So very simple, they have given diameter 49 meter. We have to find cost of leveling the area. So first we have to find the area by using the formula A equal to pi r square. So we got our area 1886.5 meters square. We have to find cost of leveling that total area, which is equal to, they have given per meter square it is 150 rupees. So total 1886.5 into 150, we got our answer 2,82,975. Okay, next question number 7. Lalita wants to buy a round carpet of radius is 63 centimeter for her hall. Find the area that will be covered by the carpet. So very simple, we have to find the area of the circle because it is round carpet, so it will be the circle. They have given radius, you have to find the area. So do this question as your homework. Next question number 9. The floor of the circular swimming pool whose radius is 7 meter has to be cemented at the rate of rupees 18 per meter square. Find the total cost of cementing the floor. So as we did question number 8, the same method you have to do question number 9. Okay, here they have given radius, you have to find the area. With that you have to multiply 18, you will get the total cost. Okay, so kindly do these two questions as your homework, children. So don't forget this one. I will meet you with the next class with the next topic. Okay, thank you so much.